Daily English speaking practice. Get disappointed. What's wrong, Layla? Why are you crying?
I just failed one module.
Oh, really? Was the test difficult?
No, it's all about me. I didn't study enough. I feel so disappointed in myself.
Tell me what happened.
I was so lazy, so I didn't study until the last day. Then on that day I was sick, so I couldn't learn anything.
It's okay that you learned a lesson now.
I'm still very sad. My parents will be very disappointed in me.
Calm down and try your best next time.
Yes, I will definitely do it.
Make a compliment. Jennifer, are you there?
Yes, wait a minute.
Hi, Jennifer.
Hi, Kate.
Wow, you look gorgeous today. Is there any special occasion today? Yes, I have a date with my boyfriend. It's our 2-year anniversary today.
Oh, really?
No wonder you dressed up so pretty today. Thank you very much for your compliment.
Anyway, how may I help you?
May I borrow your high heels?
Sure, come in.
But do we have the same shoe size?
Yes, last time I already borrowed your shoes, don't you remember? Here are my high heels.
Which one do you like? This pair, I think.
Okay, try it on. Oh, nice choice. It's a perfect match with your dress.
Thank you. Express a feeling. Lena, look. I've made it. I passed the job interview.
Congratulations, Mia.
I'm so happy for you. How do you feel now? I'm feeling so unreal. It's so wonderful that I'm feeling like in a dream.
I know. It's so hard to have this position and you got it.
I'm so proud of you, girl. Let's go out for dinner to celebrate.
Okay.
Do you want to invite anyone else? No, just us. Thanks for encouraging me all this time.
That's what a best friend does, isn't it?
You're right. Let's go.
Let's go.
Ability. Whose report is this? It's Josh's report. Is he the new guy coming to our company last month?
Yes, he is.
The report is pretty good. What do you think about his ability?
He doesn't have a lot of experience, but I think he has amazing learning skills.
Nice. I like people with a progressive spirit. They are willing to learn and work hard.
Yes, he absorbs almost everything I told him.
That's great. We need people like that, especially the younger generation. Remember.
Look, Jimmy, I found an old picture of our class in high school.
Really? Let me see. It's like 10 years ago, isn't it?
Yes, around 10 years ago. I don't even remember some of their names.
Come on, do you really forget?
Yes, for real. Don't tell me you still remember everyone's name.
Yes, of course. It's like a piece of cake to me.
What is her name?
It's Sandra.
How about this one?
It's Javis.
Wow, incredible. How can you still remember them?
I don't know. It's just there. Encourage someone. Did you draw this painting, Laura?
Yes, I did. What do you think?
It's fantastic. You're so talented.
Thank you.
Did you go to any school to learn how to draw?
No, it's all by instinct.
Really? It's amazing.
Nah, I was just really into drawing since I was little.
Can you draw with oil paint or water paint?
Yes, of course. I have my own painting room at home. Very messy.
Really? Oh, your passion for drawing is so great. I think you should share it with everyone.
But how?
You try setting up an Instagram account. I'm sure a lot of people will follow you.
Okay, I will. Thank you for encouraging me.
Not at all. Your art spirit may motivate other artists too. Heart. Tim, I noticed you ate a lot of fried food in the last few days. Oh, yeah. I'm really into fried chicken now. What's wrong?
You should not eat a huge amount of fried food regularly. It's not good for your heart.
Do you mean high cholesterol level?
Yes. Research studies have shown that people with high cholesterol levels get a higher chance of having a heart attack or stroke.
Okay. I will reduce the amount of fried food.
Have you ever tested your cholesterol level?
Yes, I did. Everything is normal, thank God.
You still have to care more about your food portion, okay?
Sure, thank you. Education. What do you think about kid online education these days?
Do you mean studying online for kids?
Yes. What do you think about that?
There are both pros and cons, though.
I think more pros than cons.
Why do you think so?
Because in the pandemic, it's the only way for children to still be able to study.
But it's not good for children's eyes.
I agree with you, though.
And it's hard for them to interact with teachers and friends.
You're all right. Art. Do you like painting and art, Claire?
Yes, I do. What's up?
Nice. I would like to invite you to an art gallery with me.
Wow, I love it! Do you have information about the gallery?
Yes, I have 2 tickets and an introduction right here. You can take a look.
Great! I didn't know you like art and painting too.
When I was little, my mom took me to art galleries so many times that I developed my interest in art since then.
Can you draw?
Unfortunately not. I prefer to watch others' masterpieces.
So do I.
Borrow a notebook.
Mary, may I borrow your notebook? Sure, but for which subject? Math. Okay. Couldn't you write down everything today? No, it's not for today. I was sick and had days off. Now I have to make up for that knowledge. Okay. If you don't understand any point, you just need to ask me, okay? Okay. Thanks a lot, Mary. How about other subjects? I will need your notebooks for other subjects too, but now I focus on math first. Okay. Ask me anytime you need.
Career.
What do you want to do after graduation, Jonas?
I want to be a personal trainer.
I knew it! I can see your passion for working out and exercising.
How about you? What is your dream job?
I used to dream to be a doctor, but now I want to be a businesswoman.
Great. Do you have any plans for the future yet?
Yes, I've already started to build a small business now.
Oh, really? That's great.
I just really like selling stuff, even when I was young.
What did you sell back then?
I used to sell candies and handmade cards for my friends.
Such a little businesswoman.
In a new neighborhood. Dialogue 1. Meeting the neighbors.
Hello there. You just moved in here, right? Yes, we just moved in 2 days ago. I'm John. This is my wife, Lisa. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. I'm Jared. And this is my wife, Riley. Where did you guys move from? Our old place was in Brooklyn. My wife got a new job in Queens, so we decided to move here. And you guys are locals here? Yes, we are. So how's the new home? Oh, it's super nice. But my wife and I are used to living in an apartment, so we will probably need some time to fit in. Haha, take all the time you need. We've been in this house here since 2000.
Oh, really? Wow. What's the neighborhood here like? It's lovely. There are many things to do, but it never gets noisy. I have never had any complaints, actually. Oh, but watch out for the dog across the road. What about it? Whenever the Jonas family is not home, their dog is let loose. So if you have any kids, please be careful. I see. We have a 6-year-old son. We will take note of this. Thanks for letting us know. No problem. Let us know if we can help you with anything. That's so nice. Thank you. Dialogue 2. Learning about the neighborhood. Hi, Lisa. Hi, John. Are you guys going out?
Good morning, Riley. Yes, we're planning to go out for a walk and to find something to eat.
Oh, nice. It's such a beautiful day. It really is. Hey, Riley, do you know any good places for brunch around here? There's a cafe on Walnut Street. It has the best bagels and coffee. Great, we love bagels. Thanks for the suggestion. Can we ask you something else? Sure, go ahead. What is it? Is there any mall or supermarket around here? We want to buy groceries and some kind of stuff on the way. There is a big mall not far from here. Jared and I often go there every weekend. Just go down this road for about 3 blocks and take a left when you see the flower shop, and the mall will be on the right. There's a supermarket on the first floor of the mall. That's superb! The mall has everything you need. There's also a cinema right next to the mall. Wow, awesome! Thanks for all the information, Riley. No problem.
By the way, do you guys happen to go to church?
Yes, we go there every week. We do too. Would you mind if we join you next week? Not at all. The more the merrier. Great. See you next week. Dialogue 3. Barbecue Party. Hey, Riley, it's Lisa. Oh, Lisa? Give me a second, I'm coming. Okay. Hey, Lisa, what's up? Hey, this Sunday, John and I are hosting a barbecue party in the backyard. We'd be very happy if you and Jared can join us. We're inviting some other people in the neighborhood like the Martins, the Johnsons, the Jonas, Heather, Lana, Josh, and Joe as well. That sounds wonderful. I think we can make it. But just let me check our schedule real quick to make sure we're not busy on Sunday. Of course, take your time, Riley. Yep, we are free as a bird. Oh wait, party is at noon, right? Yes, it's at lunchtime. The party will start around 11:30 a.m. Is that still okay? Yes, we will be there on time. Great. We will bring some packs of cold beer we just bought. Do you guys need anything? I'm going to the supermarket tonight. Aw, thank you. The beer is more than enough, Riley. You guys joining us is our pleasure. Please don't go into any trouble. It's no trouble at all. We will come over on Sunday then. Okay, see you then. Bye, Riley. Bye. Dialogue 4. Taking a walk. It's such a beautiful sunny day. I can't remember the last time I felt so relaxed.
Yeah, it's so great being able to enjoy the sunshine and the cool breeze. Our old place was always loud and noisy. I feel so great that our new neighborhood is so beautiful and tranquil.
I feel the same way. Our new house is closer to the city center, but it's not noisy at all. And it's so convenient that we have everything from supermarkets, the mall, the cinema, to restaurants and coffee shops nearby.
Yeah, it's great that everything is within walking distance.
Moving to this neighborhood is such a good decision, don't you think, honey? It's the best place to raise our little Ben. Also, our neighbors are all so nice and respectful, especially Jared and Riley. They are always willing to help us.
Yeah, that's true. It's not easy having such good neighbors nowadays. I'm so glad we moved.
Dialogue 5. Playing at the park. Are you happy that we took you to the park, Ben? Of course, it's awesome. I love it. Before, when we still lived in Brooklyn, I could only go to the park once in a while. Yeah, I know. I'm sorry about that, honey. The park was too far from our old place, so we couldn't go there often. But this park is only 2 blocks from our house, so now we can go here every weekend or anytime you want to. Awesome! Wow, this park is so much bigger than our old park.
Yeah, you're right.
Be careful, honey. Don't run so fast, you'll trip over. I'm fine. I'm not gonna trip. Trust me. Mom, Dad, look! There are so many games here as well. There are swings, seesaws, slides, and balls here. I love this park.
You're right. This park has such a big playground. It's even bigger than the playground at your school. Wow, it also has tubes and climbers. We're glad you like this park. So what games do you want to play first, Ben?
I want to play on the slide. Oh, I want to sit on the swings as well.
Okay, honey, let's go.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment on my video. Please, subscribe to Learn English with Jessica channel to watch more helpful videos. Goodbye.